Hey kids! Are you ready to learn some super cool facts about gorillas? Let's dive in and discover why these amazing animals are so special. We're going on a trip to the jungle today. Well, not really a trip, more like an adventure using our imaginations. Close your eyes and picture this lush green trees, the sound of birds chirping, and a family of gorillas munching on yummy plants. Can you picture it? Awesome! Get ready to learn all about these gentle giants. It's going to be so much fun. Did you know that gorillas are the biggest primates in the world? That means out of all the monkeys and apes, gorillas are the champions of size. Imagine standing next to a grown-up gorilla. They can be taller than a grown-up human. They can even be twice as heavy. Some gorillas can weigh up to 500 pounds. That's like having a whole bunch of your toys piled up, all the way to the ceiling. Can you believe how big they are? But even though they're big and strong, gorillas are actually very gentle and peaceful animals. They spend most of their time eating plants and hanging out with their families. They love to play just like you. So next time you see a picture of a gorilla, remember how big and amazing they are. Gorillas are just like us. They love to hang out with their families. They spend a lot of time grooming each other, playing, and just enjoying each other's company. They live in groups called troops, which can be quite large, sometimes including up to 30 members. Imagine a big gorilla family reunion with aunts, uncles, cousins, and even a grandpa gorilla. It's a lively and bustling gathering. Each troop has a leader called a silverback, who is the heart and soul of the group. He's the oldest and strongest male gorilla, and he has a very important job: to protect his family and keep everyone safe. He ensures that everyone is well fed and secure. The silverback gets his name from the silver hair on his back, which starts to appear as he matures. It's like a badge of honor. This distinctive feature sets him apart from the younger males. He's kind of like a superhero with super strength. His presence alone can deter potential threats. The silverback leads his troop through the jungle, finds the best places to eat, and makes all the decisions. He knows the terrain like the back of his hand. He's like the captain of the gorilla team. His leadership is crucial for the troop's survival. It's important for gorillas to stick together because there are dangers in the jungle. Predators and other threats are always lurking. But with the silverback leading the way, they always feel safe and protected. His strength and wisdom are their greatest assets. Have you ever wondered what gorillas eat? They might be big and strong, but they don't eat meat like lions or tigers. Gorillas are mostly herbivores, which means they love to munch on plants. They spend most of their day looking for delicious leaves, stems, fruits, and even flowers. Imagine a giant salad bar in the middle of the jungle with all sorts of yummy greens. That's what it's like for a gorilla. They use their strong hands and teeth to pull apart plants and chew them up. Sometimes they even use sticks as tools to help them get to the tastiest treats. Eating all those plants keeps gorillas healthy and strong, so they can swing from trees, play with their friends, and explore the jungle. So next time you eat your fruits and veggies, remember that you're eating like a gorilla. Did you know that gorillas are super smart? They are one of the most intelligent animals on the planet. They might not go to school like you, but they have their own special kind of intelligence that helps them survive in the wild. They can use tools, just like we use forks and spoons. This ability to use tools is a sign of their advanced cognitive skills. They use sticks to fish for termites in logs, showing their problem-solving abilities. Or they might use leaves to soak up water for a refreshing drink, demonstrating their resourcefulness. Some gorillas have even learned sign language. This allows them to communicate complex ideas. That's right, they can communicate with humans using their hands. They can tell you what they want, how they're feeling, and even play games. They can tell you what they want, how they're feeling, and even play games. This shows their ability to understand and interact with humans on a deeper level. Gorillas are also very good at solving problems. They can figure out complex tasks and find solutions. If they want something, they'll figure out a way to get it. Their determination is truly remarkable. They use their brains and their strength to overcome challenges, making them incredibly adaptable. And just like you, gorillas have feelings too. They can form deep emotional bonds with each other. They can show emotions like happiness, sadness, anger, and even love. Their emotional range is quite similar to ours. They express themselves through their facial expressions and sounds, making them very expressive creatures. Have you ever wondered what gorillas say to each other? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? They might not speak our language, but they have their own special way of communicating. It's a rich and complex system that we are only beginning to understand. Gorillas use a combination of sounds, gestures, and even facial expressions to talk to each other. Each gesture and sound has a specific meaning. It's like their own secret code. This code helps them maintain social bonds and navigate their environment. They make different noises for different reasons. Each sound can convey a different message. They might grunt softly to say hello, a friendly greeting among them, roar loudly to warn others of danger, a clear signal to stay away, or even make a purring sound when they're happy and content. This purring is a sign of relaxation and satisfaction. They also use their bodies to communicate. Body language is a crucial part of their interactions. They might beat their chests to show their strength, a display of dominance, stand up tall to look bigger, making themselves appear more intimidating, or even hug each other to show affection. These hugs are a way to reinforce social bonds. Gorillas are very expressive with their faces too. Their facial expressions can tell us a lot about their emotions. They might raise their eyebrows in surprise, a clear sign of curiosity or shock, wrinkle their noses in disgust, showing displeasure or discomfort, or even smile when they're happy. A smiling gorilla is a joyful sight to behold. So even though we can't understand their language, we can still connect with them on a deeper level. We can learn a lot about what gorillas are thinking and feeling by paying attention to their sounds, gestures, and expressions. It's a window into their world. It's like learning a whole new way to communicate. Understanding gorilla talk brings us closer to these magnificent creatures. Wasn't that fun? If you enjoyed learning about gorillas, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, click the notification button, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome animal facts. We had so much fun exploring the world of gorillas today. We learned about their incredible size, their family life, their plant-based diet, their amazing intelligence, and their unique ways of communicating. Gorillas are truly fascinating creatures, and it's important for us to learn about them and protect them so future generations can be amazed by these gentle giants too. Bye for now!